here is the Maraging steel. So what is Maraging steel? So this is the steel or class of the ultra high strength, okay, steel characterized by the low carbon content and the high concentration of nickel, which is 15 to 25%, along with the other alloying element, which is obvious. I mean, all of the alloying, metal has our element has that other parts also incorporated, so that to enhance some other properties along with the main target. Okay, so here which is target of the nickel, okay, no carbon and other elements, which is other alloying element as cobalt, molybdenum, titanium, and aluminum, etc. Right. The term the maraging is derived from the martensic and aging. Okay, so refer to that of heat treatment process that strengthening the material through the precipitation of the intermetallic compound within a tough martensic matrix. So we know what is the martensinic. Okay, and if we talk about the aging means that is something which is old. Okay, age. Okay, so how we can do it? Referring to the heat treatment process that strengthen the material through the participation of intermediate. So it is a basic kind of we can get with the help of the heat treatment, right? So what are the properties? If we talk about the properties, then the high strength, okay, and the strength is exceptional yield and tensile strength after aging heat treatment up to the 25 mega Pascal, which is very good result. Okay, and we talk about the toughness and the high toughness with excellent resistance to the crack propagation. So look here. Here we have the low carbon. Though we know if we increase the carbon content in the iron, then it will its strength will increase. Okay, okay, but at the same time the ductility will decrease. Okay, so here we have the low carbon. So what is the advantage? The low carbon, and then we have getting the high strength. Okay, and we talk about the toughness. So high toughness with the excellent resistance to the crack propagations, low carbon content, which is very obvious because ensuring the good wettability and eliminates the brittleness, right? So if we increase the carbon content, then it means we are going through in the phase of brittleness. Okay, so it means we are reducing the ductility. But here it has a low carbon. It means they are having a good ductility, or we are not basically compromising with the ductile nature, and we are avoiding the brittleness. Ease of machining. So soft in the annealed state, making it easy to machinable before the aging. What does it mean? I mean, you have the if the ductile material is very easy to be machined. Okay, so and if the material which are having brittle nature, that would not be that much comfortable to be machined, right? So corrosion resistance, so moderate resistance to the rust and oxidation depending on the grade. Okay, so this is not too much corrosion resistance, but having a moderate resistance. Okay, it means in between, right? Neither too much low nor too much high, but in between the resistance, it is lying in between. Okay, so that's not much good, not it's a bad, it's about some kind of average corrosion resistant. If dimensional stability, the minimum distortion during the heat treatment. What does it mean? It means if we are going to do the heat treatment of this kind of the material, then we are not going to get a distortion. Means their shape change or thing is not going to be changed, or their structure would be in their own shape.